All right, guys, we are prepping and set up to hang this mast arm to replace that sign truss that y'all saw in the previous video.
It still hurts. It's a little low.
I like it. Go ahead and 2 out. Rotate left. And boom down some. Ooh, you're good, brother. Just work it. Keep on booming down. That ain't good. All right, hold that. 2 out. All right, 3 out. Cable up. Rotate left. And 3 in. Ricky, watch your hands a bit. Hold that. Cable up. Hold that. You're able to get 1 in there, Ricky. Is it threaded on? Hey, boom up some. Yeah, work them top ones. Go ahead. What you mean?
Kick him way out there.
Kick him way up, you're saying, or?
Put a little bit of rake into it too.
On the back side?
Yes.
Oh, well, we may come back to level. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, dude, I mean, and I did right now. Well,
I mean, it's going to come back down some more, but I mean, it's still going to be somewhat high. We'll see when he starts coming off of that. But yeah, that right now it looks awful. Yeah. But it's a used pole. I mean, I didn't see it prior to us grabbing it and installing it, so they already had it torn down. Cable up. I'll hold that. All right, Ricky, how's that look on the top side? A little better. All right, it's an old mast arm from the city of Jackson that was previously installed here, and boy, that rake they got looks absolutely awful. I mean, you can tell on the shaft it's looking pretty straight on the shaft, and that guy's pointed to the sky, and we're off of it, so not what we ordered. Nah, I don't even know there's much we can do about it. I don't love it. Oh yeah, you bought the good one. Yeah. We got a pipe wrench or something like that. We can come a little bit. We try to tighten down these nuts on this side here. Yeah, it'll suck it down this way. Yeah. And I want the bottom ones tighten on them, and then we need to tighten the 2 top ones again. Yeah, it's gonna draw this side down and just kind of level out the shaft a little bit better. So, right now it's kicked over some. I mean, it ain't super bad, but when you all push right here. Pulling that, Sean. All right, let's try to do this one too. You got to be almost even with the amount of turns. Do it a little more. All right, come do this side a little more. I doubt you got all the way to the mast arm now on that. Try to get like another half turn out of both. Do a little more on this guy.
See you moving it, trying to get it.
Yeah, trying to get a little more level. All right, now that the mast arm's up, still don't love the way it looks, but not much we can do about that. They're gonna work on the signs that replace that sign truss we tore down yesterday.